Welcome back to another episode of The House Honey. Thank you guys for watching and tuning in. Today we're looking at another tiny home, and this is the Herbert. This is the information, the price, square footage. It's a 1 bedroom, 1 bath, and all of the rest of the information is going to be listed below in the description box. So, if you guys seen last week, I did another tiny home tour, and that one had a patio. That was the only one with a patio. So this one is not. This is a part of their Country Manor line. This is by Fairmont. So it's Fairmont Park Model RVs, and then this is the Country Manor line. So with that being said, I think that Country Manor, the other one is the Cavco 150 line that we seen last week. So if you haven't seen that, go check that one out. And of course, like the video and subscribe if you guys like this kind of content. But just from comparing the two, I think that this line, the Country Manors line, is a little more upscale than the Cavco. I think that one, Cavco, is a little more, it's definitely not cheap. It's just more affordable. So they put more affordable specs. They don't really put as much bing, bang, boom into it. It's a lot more simple, but still very nice. So this is the Country Manor, the Herbert. I love the entryway and the living room in this home. It's so cute. These ceilings are super tall. The wood trim around everything, but the tall ceilings and then that big pretty window up front, that really opens up the space a lot. And then as you can see, there's lots of windows kind of all over the place. I like that. It opens up everything a lot more. A lot more. And they have it really nicely decorated, this one, which is appreciated. I love a good decor. And you guys, so this episode particular, there's some choppiness in it a little bit. I apologize ahead of time. I actually had a chance to meet someone who was also there at this location when I was touring. And we had a couple conversations, very enlightened by him. I almost said enlightening. Well, yeah, it was enlightening. Yeah, that's the word. It's enlightening. And he was really cool, but I was just in awe after meeting him. And then I was a little bit sidetracked. I was not as focused as I was right before. So the choppiness is there because I had honestly forgot where I had left off. So please forgive me, but we still got a chance to, for the most part, cover everything in this home. That's the upstairs loft. This is the kitchen. It's really nice and bright and airy in here. And if you guys seen that nice dining room little bar area where you can advertise some really nice china or whatever, pretty plates and bowls, mugs, whatever you have going on, that can add to the decor. Right there you can see it. It's a clear covered cabinet, so you can put decor essentially in there or use your plates and stuff as decor to add to that section. Love that. This is the bathroom in this home that we are now going into. I'll be honest, I'm not a fan of this bathroom. Out of everything in this house, this is the one thing I don't like. I just don't. Sorry to put it so bluntly, but I mean, hey, it's a beautiful home otherwise. I just don't like this bathroom at all. And I wish there was a tub. Maybe that's what it is. I wish there was a tub with this, but there's not. And it just really, it feels closed in. I know it's a tiny home, but still, it's just something about the shape of it. I don't know. I don't like it. Everything else though is just absolutely lovely. This tiny home has like a sunken bedroom is what they call it. So basically the bedroom, you have to walk down a couple of stairs to get inside, and that's what they call sunken because it's not on the same level. It kind of gives it a more private type of feel, like it's like away from everything else, and I really like that. I was so dramatic walking down right here just so you guys could see. I'm not down yet. I'm walking alrighty. There I am. Not a significant drop, but it's nice enough to feel like you're not on the same level as the rest of the home. This is the master bedroom. This is the only bedroom. So you've got that pretty backsplash backboard behind the bed, and then those two cabinets that are built into the foundation on both sides, and then the shelf over top with that additional storage. So cute. And then the lighting on the side, it's so cute. The nice pretty window right there by the bed, let in some light. This one has a pretty decent sized storage. I don't know if you've seen the first one, the first tiny home tour that I did, which was just last week or a few days ago. I don't know. Check the tiny home tours in my videos. I just did it. Or you know what I'll do at the end of this video, I will attach that one so you guys can see it if you wait till the end, because you're gonna want to. But the other one did not have the entertainment system. No, the other one had the entertainment system, so you could fit like a 65-inch TV or something in that spot, whereas this one doesn't have that. And I don't really know where you would put it. I guess you can't in this type of a bedroom in this one, which is kind of a bummer, but they made use of this space pretty nicely. I think this one has a better wardrobe, if I'm not mistaken. This one definitely has a better loft. Oh my gosh. They're both really nice. I'm not trying to downplay either one, but oh my goodness. I just think that this is so cool. The loft aspect of these homes. It's like a little bunker. You can do all types of stuff with it. You can use it for storage. You can make a little kids play area. You can do a nice pretty secondary bedroom, maybe some camper stuff. You could do like a little like a seating area, a place where you go and read, like a reading lounge. You know, you could set up some really pretty pillows and some throws and like a tapestry, some little pretty lights, and maybe a small bookshelf, and just have a place where you just vibe out, crack the window, read some good books. You know, you could totally vibe out up there. And then it overlooks the rest of the living room and everything too, so you're not closed in. Love it. Love it. And yeah, you guys, that is the Herbert. And again, this is by Fairmont Park Model RVs. So like the video and subscribe. Let me know what you guys think of this house, or what you guys what you like or don't like about the house. Tell me, please, in the comment section. And I will see you guys in another episode of The House Honey. Bye.